Retro Productions, we show you how to do stuff. This is an LG dryer, and if you look in here, this guy is loose, so I don't know how to fix it. I think this top panel might come off. How many screws back there? 3. There's 3 screws like this. So I'm hoping that once we remove that, this piece will come off. This bracket holds on the top part. We took off these screws because it doesn't lift up. We tried to lift it up, moving these 3 screws. Found out that it slides. So we actually have to remove the screws here for this part of the bracket. So 3 screws there, and then this thing will slide. Here, it's as simple as that. So once those 3 screws are taken off, boom, okay, off, like that, okay, now I can access the drum, and it looks to me like the 3 screws are right there. So it's this one that's loose, and you can see it's loose because it's moving around. I'll tighten these up. So this is easy enough to do. In case I need to do it again. Rotate this guy. Just might as well check them because I know this one was a little loose. Yep, this one's a little loose too. And one more, just check that. Boom. Yep, this is a little loose. Wow, pretty cool though. So then to put this on, you can see how it slided like that. So that's how it slides. It's gonna go on these, right? These guys right here. So just kind of have to line it up. Boom, slide it this way. Retro Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Look at that. Now just put those 3 screws on and we're done.